everyone. We're going to sketch the curve by using parametric equations to plot points. We also need to find the intersection of the loop. So I got started here. My y-axis, I've got the scale a little bit off from my x-axis. So again, it says sketch. Usually on a sketch, you don't need a grid. So let's normally when I ask you to sketch and they don't give you any bounds or anything, kind of need to start from like a negative number and go to a positive number for t. So then if we need to add numbers like fractions, that will help us graph. We'll do that a little later. So basically I put these values in here, and now I'm going to substitute them in for x and y. And I'm going to get 2, 12. For negative 1, I'm getting negative 2, 3. For 0, getting 0, 0. And for t equals 1, we get 2, 3. And at 2, we're getting negative 2 and 12. So we're starting this way for our orientation. So let's plot some of these. We have 2, 12, negative 2, 3, 0, 0. Then we're back at 2, 3, and then negative 2, 12. So the problem is we have this symmetric thing, but we don't know where the intersection is because it's going, the orientation is going this way, but we don't know how big this loop is. All right, so to do that, what we're going to look at is we have a cubic function here. So I'm going to factor this out and factor out a t, and we'll get 3 minus t squared. So this is going to factor more completely as t times 3 square root of 3 minus t times square root of 3 plus t. Now if you set x to 0, then your t is going to equal 0 and square root of 3 and negative square root of 3. So what we want to do is let our x be 0 here, and let our t be negative square root of 3. Let's do this in a different color. Negative square root of 3 and positive square root of 3. Now, when you do the positive square root of 3, you're going to get, so now our x has three zeros here. So our negative square root of 3 maps to 9, and my positive square root of 3 for my y is going to be 9. So that means our intersection here is at 0, 9, and that's when t equals plus or minus square root of 3. My turning point here is at 0, 0, and that's when t equals 0. So that's looking at this. All right, now we can kind of complete this. So it's going up this way. It's going through 0, 9, coming back around, and going this way. So let's draw some arrows to show our orientation. So this is how the movement's going. All right, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.